Heron formula. Heron formula states that the area of the triangle A equals square root of s times s minus a times s minus b times s minus c, where a, b, c are the length of the triangle, and s is the semi-perimeter of the triangle equal 1/2 of a plus b plus c. Let's prove this Heron formula. Using the relationship a squared equal b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine a hat. A hat is the angle BAC, and the area of the triangle A equal 1/2 BC sine A hat. Rearranging these two formula, we have the two equations, and then using the sine square plus cosine square equal 1, square of both sides of these two equations, and using this an identity, we have for b square c square equal ab square plus c square minus a square total square plus 16a square. Rearranging this equation step by step, at the end we have this equation. And then, since b plus c plus a equal 2s, b plus c minus a equal b plus c plus a minus 2a, b plus c plus a equal 2s over here, that's 2s minus 2a equal 2s minus a. Similarly, you have a plus b minus c equal 2s minus c, and a minus b plus c equal 2s minus b. Therefore, plug in this formula going to this equation. We have 16a squared equal this, or a squared equal this, then square root of both sides, we have the Heron formula.